So once again, hello guys and welcome back to our course about building up a successful clothing brand. Um, so in today's course, we are going to add more advanced features to our Shopify store. So until now, you are supposed to have your Shopify store already set up, and our goal today will be to add up some advanced features. So the first thing we want to do is delete the little powered by Shopify thing that is just here. So down the page, we have this powered by Shopify little thing. We want to delete it. So how do we do that? Very simple. We go on Action, click Edit Language, and then simply looking for powered. So as you can see, you have a lot of things that will appear here. So simply go there and click on the space button. Same thing here on the space button. And that's it. Just those ones. And click on the little save button here. When it's done, we can refresh this page to be sure that it's no longer on the page. So as you can see, the little thing disappeared and the page looks more professional without the little powered by Shopify link here. Then next thing, we are going to add some apps on our store. So the first app that we are going to add is an affiliate app that is called GoAffPro. So it's an affiliate marketing app. This will give you the opportunity to give codes to people, so people will be able to sell your product for you and they'll get a commission and everything will be automatically calculated. So the app is called GoAffPro. It's this one here. What's cool with this app is that it's completely free. Yes, you have a $24 per month premium plan, but you're good with the free version. So simply click on Add App here. Install app. When it's all done, they have a complete, they'll give you a complete crash course how it works. So they'll ask you quick questions. So how it works, it's very simple. That's all your links. So if people want to create an account with your affiliate program, they can simply use this link and they will be able to create their account here. So okay, let's see how it all works. So look and feel. Here will be the name of your store. If you want to add a logo on this page, sorry, this page, right here, it's gonna be just there. So you can put on your logo here. Then the commission. That's the commission that you will pay to the people who are selling your products. For example, here, default commission, it's 10%. You can create a higher or a lower commission. You simply click on change. Also, you can create more advanced commissions. For example, new product. You add the product and you add the percentage of commission you want to add. You can create, well, that's where you track all the coupons. Here you will track all the affiliates that you have. For example, there is no affiliates, but well, they're all here. All your sales are tracked here. For the payouts, all the payouts that have been made to you or to your affiliates are here. And that's it. What you need to know about this app. So let me show you on my other store what this app looks like. So it's very simple. You will have an affiliate link here. You simply click on it. It looks like this. So everyone who wants to join will simply click on the join now little thing. Will fill up the form. When it's done, they are in the affiliate program and they can start selling. So it's very simple and it's automatically calculated. So your front page will look something like this. The second app that we are going to add on our store will be the translator. The translator is G Translate. Once again, it's a completely free app. It will also, but well, this app will give the ability to you to put all the descriptions of your product in a lot of languages. So you'll be able to sell to people in all the countries in the world. Well, in huge parts of the world. So how this app works, you simply install the app. When it's done, you will be able to choose the languages that you want to add. So for example, you want to put English, French, and Spanish. So you can have 3 languages, you can have 4 languages. There is a max of 5 languages, if I'm not mistaken. And if you want more than 5 languages, you have to pay per month. It's $8, but honestly, it's not really worth it. So it's very simple. Then also you can choose the way you want the app to work. When I'm talking about the way that the app works, it's the way that you want it to be presented. So you can just have flags, you can have flags with language names, you can have flags and drop downs. So that's for the 2 apps that we are going to add to our store. So until now, guys, you are supposed to be able to delete the powered by Shopify little thing. You will have your own affiliate program, which is Affiliate Pro, and you will have your store translated in multi languages. The last thing that you can add is a currency converter thing that I use. So let me show you which app I use. It's just there. It's called Best Currency Converter. It's this one here. So once again, it's completely free. They have a free plan. They have a free plan available, and they can give you up to 5 currencies, which is really amazing. And to add it, same thing. Simply click on Add App. So for now, your store is supposed to have 4 apps, which are the currency converter, the Go Affiliate Pro app marketing app. So as you can see here, simply choose the plan, the free plan. When it's done, they'll ask you if you want to choose what currencies you want to choose. So as you can see, if you want to enable the app, you simply click on enable, yes, no, and then you can choose your currencies. So as I said, right now your store is supposed to have 4 apps, which are first of all your Go Affiliate Pro app, your currency converter, your Google Translate app or G Translate, and finally your Printful app. So those 4 apps are supposed to create a beautiful store for you. This app, but you definitely need it to be able to create your clothing brand. The other apps are more like support to your store to create a better store. This app will help you get more sellers. They'll get a commission on every sale, and those two apps translate your store and currency converter will give your store the ability to have multilingual, a lot of languages and a lot of currencies. So you will be able to touch a lot of people with your store. So that's it for the scores, guys. That's it for the scores, guys. And see you in the next class where we are going to talk which Shopify plan is the best for you and give you some final tips.